Hey people, lovers of good food. Do you want to know how I make this yummy okra soup? If you want to know how I make this yummy okra soup, oh yeah, let's go to my kitchen. Let me show you how I make this delicious okra soup. Oh yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is Ebony Gold TV. Today I'll be making okra soup. Let me introduce you to my ingredients. Here is my okra. So fresh. I have okra here. So I have some tilapia fish I'll be using for my soup. Some fresh prawn. Beef is here as well. My palm oil. Dry prawn, I have washed it already. Dry fish, I have washed it already. Dry crayfish, blended already. Stock fish, I have washed it. I have shown you this already. Then I have some fresh spinach, 1 large onion, 2 hot pepper, and 2 cornet bonnet pepper. So I'll be using 2. I don't eat too much of pepper, so I'm using 2 of this cornet pepper. Then my seasoning cube, I have 2. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for my today's okra soup. Stay tuned and see how I'll be making this okra soup. So I'll start by boiling my meat. I will be adding the meat to the pot. Then I'll start by boiling it. I'll be adding some onions, some chopped onions. I'll be adding one seasoning at this time. I'll be adding some salt. And add some water to cook. I'll be cooking it for 5 minutes, then I'll come back and check. My meat has been cooked for 5 minutes. I'll be adding the stock fish to cook together with my meat. I'll still be cooking it for another 5 minutes. So my meat has been cooked for 10 minutes altogether. It's time to fry my okra. So I'll be adding some palm oil. I'll be allowing it to bleach for 2 minutes. I will not be letting it to bleach. I'll be leaving it for just 2 minutes. So I'll be adding some chopped onions. So I'll be adding the pepper I blended, pepper and some onions I blended together. Sorry guys, I didn't show you when I was blending it. I did it off camera. So this is the pepper I blended before. I did it off camera. This is the pepper and onions I blend together. So I'll be frying everything together. I'll be frying it for 5 minutes. I'll be adding 1 seasoning cube. Then I'll be adding some local beans. Then adding some crayfish. My pepper is almost cooked. So at this stage, it's time to add my fish. So I'll be adding the dried crayfish. I have washed it. I'll be adding it so that it will cook together. So at this stage, my fish has been cooked. I'll be removing it so that it will not be scattered inside the soup. I'll have to remove it, then I'll add it back later. So I'll be adding the dried fish at this stage. It's time to add my okra. I blended this part. If you want your okra to be very sticky, you have to do it like this. I blended this one. Sorry guys, I didn't show you when I was doing it, so there was no time. I don't want the video to be too long, so I did it off camera. So it's time to add the other okra. So I'll be adding the fresh spinach at this stage. My soup is almost ready, guys. Oh my god. So I'll be adding back the fish. I'll be adding the fresh prawn. soup is almost ready. So at this stage, I'll be adding the meat that I parboiled before. See how beautiful my soup is. Please guys, try this method of okra. You will like it so much. See how beautiful it is. Without being told, you will know this soup will taste nice. My soup is ready. So I'll be adding some salt. The soup lacks some salt. So my soup is ready. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share with your friends, thumbs up, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. I appreciate. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.